Orange Toys here, y'all. There's another Pokemon opening up, and they're gonna be opening up Scarlet and Violet. Let's see if we can get anything good in there, y'all. I ain't had a hit in a little while. Let's see if we get one today. That'd be nice. Here goes the QR code. All right, y'all. Let's see what we get. How's everybody doing out there today? Put in the comments how y'all doing. And put in the comments what kind of big hits y'all got lately. I ain't had no big hits lately. Hopefully that'll change today. We'll see. Reverse shiny. And another reverse shiny. And let's see what we get. Man. We got a Halo Scat Shatter. And we had Dark. Well, y'all, not no big hit in this one either, y'all, but maybe next time. Thanks for watching. Out of here.